Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Sangeeta Gupta, working as a professor at Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, CBIT, Gandipet, Hyderabad. Today, I am going to drive you through the introduction of software engineering, which is a very important course for the undergraduate and postgraduate students. What is software engineering? So, first we need to understand what is software. It is a set of instructions which are grouped to perform a particular task. So, we are using the software in such a way that the real world applications or real world problems as identified will be transformed successfully to a proper and procedural way using the software engineering principles. Hence, software engineering is a collection of principles, practices, methods, and tools that can be applied to any real world problem for the successful development of any software. So, software engineering is taken as a discipline that integrates methods, tools, and procedures for the development of computer software. Now, what are these methods? So, as we can see here, the layered representation as required for the software engineering. At the lowermost layer, we have a quality focus, which is the foundation to develop any software in real world. When we talk about the methods, so these are providing us a significant mechanism to build the required software. So these software can be built by using various tools and by following a set of processes. Tools, they can be either automated tools or semi-automated tools. And process, it represents the sequence or the procedure in which methods have to be applied so that the quality can be ensured while developing the software. Hence, software engineering is said to be a discipline that integrates methods, tools, and procedures for the overall development of computer software. So, to talk about the definition of software engineering, it is said to be the establishment and use of sound engineering principles in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and also that works efficiently on real machines. So, keeping the various budget and timing constraints into consideration, we apply the software engineering principles for the design of a successful software. Also, the software which is developed through the application of this software engineering principles is said to be reliable. That means it will have the ability to survive failures. Also, software engineering is given a proper definition by the IEEE, which says that SE, that is software engineering, is the application of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach towards the development, operation, and maintenance of software. So, we are applying engineering to software in software engineering. So, when we talk about the details of software engineering as a layer technology, at the lowermost layer, we have a quality focus. Above that, we build process model. We apply various methods and tools. Ultimately, this defines towards the establishment of a well-defined software, and software engineering can be viewed as a layered technology. So, from the diagram, when we are talking about software engineering as a layered approach, the foundation for software engineering is said to be the process layer. Also, the process is actually taken as a foundation or the glue which holds the technology layers together, and it also helps to develop the software in a timely way. Methods in detail provide the technical how-tos, that is, how we actually build the required software. These methods, they encompass a broad array of tasks. So that include various framework activities which I will be sharing in my upcoming videos. So various framework activities like communication, planning, designing, construction, testing, etc. Okay, so how these are all carried out will be represented through the methods. Then coming to the tools, these tools, they can be either automated or semi-automated. Ultimately, they are set to provide support for the overall process and the methods. So tools, they provide support towards the development of various methods and processes. Now, we can even integrate the tools in such a way that the information which is created by one tool can also be used by another. Okay, so through this, we are trying to build a system called computer aided software engineering by integrating the tools. That's all in this video. Hope you have liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.